What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to screenshot as well as resize your screenshot on iPhone. Now this is a super simple tutorial, but recently Apple changed how they're doing this, especially now that there's no home button. Before you could just hit the home button and power button at the same time to take a screenshot, but obviously with no home button now, it's going to be a little bit different. But basically what you're going to do is you're still going to hit the power button, but instead of hitting the home button, you're going to hit up on the volume button. So you're going to hit the up volume button and then the power button at the same time. And then that is what you use to take a screenshot now. And then your screenshot is going to drop in the bottom left-hand corner. But if you click on it before it disappears, you could be able to just edit it directly from that menu. And then you could crop the image if you want. Obviously, when you're taking a lot of screenshots, you don't want some background of the screenshot to be in your screenshot. You just want exactly what you're trying to show the person or your audience. And I just crop this out for a little example here, just to crop out everything except the apps on the home screen. And also, if you didn't get the screenshot in the bottom left-hand corner, you could always just come to the Photos app and then just hit Edit in the top right-hand corner. And it's going to bring up the same exact menu where you could resize it and do a little touch-ups if you need to do that. That's pretty much all I have for you, though, when it comes to screenshotting. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this worked, be sure to comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.